The much-awaited fix for the multi-user bug that popped up after the Android 14 update is finally here. The bug fix comes with a new November security update that's rolling out to eligible Pixel devices. Yesterday, we did a report that the fix was upcoming, so it's good to see it go live sooner rather than later. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. The fix was highlighted in the official changelog that was posted on the community as fix for issue occasionally causing devices with multiple users enabled to show out of space or be in a reboot loop. Furthermore, Google says the fix is for the Pixel 6, the Pixel 6a, 6 Pro, 7, 7 Pro, 7a, tablet, fold, Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. At the time of writing this, Google has only released the update for global units with the following software versions. As mentioned in our previous report, users who were facing issues with the device constantly rebooting might sadly not be able to recover their data. This is because they may have to factory reset the device to install the new update. If you have backed up your data, then you should install the new update right away. In fact, it's always advisable to back up your data before installing a new update, no matter how insignificant the update may seem. Apart from the multi-user bug fix, the update also fixes a few other issues that have been troubling Pixel users. For instance, the green flashing issue that was reported by Pixel 7 Pro users is now fixed. Even the bug on the Pixel 8 Duo that resulted in the micro stutters is apparently fixed with the update. You can check out the complete changelog by heading out to the official post on the community. Speaking of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, it's worth pointing out that this new November update is the first update for these newly launched smartphones. It's one update in a long line of updates that are expected to go live for the Pixel 8 Duo, thanks to Google's commitment of 7 OS updates for them. While the November update is currently rolling out to global units, we expect to see it expand to Google Pixel units in other markets within the next few days. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.